What is typically included in a settlement? The amount that a settlement is going to consider is going to be what a jury award if the case was tried. And so you look at the various elements of damages of that case, of the plaintiff, and see what their damages are. And the settlement should reflect those damages with a consideration for how strong liability is. Trying to know what the value of a settlement might be at the front end of the case is too speculative, because there's not any way to be able to tell a potential client what the value of their case is when you've not been able to evaluate their damages or the strength of liability or dispute thereof. Generally, the elements of damages are broken into two categories. One category is referred to as economic damages or special damages. Those are easily calculable, and that's your loss of lost wages or loss of earning capacity, where you can calculate, your hourly rate or your salary or what business you weren't able to get based on formulas and mathematical calculations. You also have medical expenses that you can add up. You have loss of household services that you can add and calculate based on what you couldn't do or couldn't do as well and you had to hire out or do without. Those things usually can be estimated or put together on a spreadsheet. The other area of damages are your intangible damages, and those are more speculative type damages that are hard to calculate, and those would be mental anguish, disfigurement, disability, pain and suffering. Are there caps on either of those, on the damages for economic damages or non-economic damages? In a medical malpractice case, there are caps and damages where there are $250,000 on non-economic damages. On regular personal injury cases, non-medical malpractice cases, there aren't caps on damages unless there's a wrongful death. Under the wrongful death statute, there is a cap of damages, which is $500,000, which is adjusted by the Consumer Price Index.